Hello, and today I'm going to share how to create a business plan. In today's example, using the production industry, first it starts with an idea and what type of business you are going to create. Now we are going to create a summary of actions taking place. I've used things like about product, customer details, and future of the company. Next I go over company description with things like a mission statement, principal members, and legal structures. Market research. One of the most important things is market research. You want to know the details about the industry that you are creating a plan for, whether it is growing or decreasing. At the bottom, you'll see here I've listed company name. When doing your research, it's very important to research the company name of the company you are trying to choose. When creating a company name, you're going to want to make sure it is available in various places, like with the state and online media. I have listed a few places to start searching, and I'm sure with the online media and the way it works, you'll be able to find a few more places to advertise your company. Next is detailed description of customers. How are you going to create clients? So you're going to need detailed description of customers. Listed below, I have given some examples of how to do this. Next, we're going to step into regulations. This includes everything required for licensing by the state. You're going to have to go in and search, as I did, for the different articles of paperwork to make sure that your company that you are opening is in legal standing, and this requires some research into the state's documents so that you can make sure that you have all the correct information needed in order to move forward. If you're going for the production industry, well, here it is. I've listed it for you. It makes it a little bit easier for anybody doing the production industry. If you're doing something different, you're going to need to do a little bit different research. Service line. Using bullet points, I described what service we are providing. Product. What product is your company going to carry? Pricing structure. There's a couple of ways to charge, either by the hour or flat rate. Intellectual property rights. And below I have listed research and development. This means how the plan will be carried out while collecting data about the company growth. Marketing and sales. This means coming up with growth strategies, how you are going to get your company name in front of the eyes of the client. Communicate with the customer. I have listed a few ways below that can take place. How to sell. Investment and cost research. For my cost research, I projected 2 years ahead. Here is a detailed list of what I have come up with. Equipment. In this case, this is the office side of things. In some businesses, there might be two sets of equipment, one taking place for the office and, on the other hand, for the field work. Cameras and accessories. This side's going to be more for the field work. And below I have listed what will get you started in the production industry. Thanks for watching. Good luck and have a great day.